I wash my hands before cooking.
I
Wash my hands before cooking. I put on my apron. I put on my apron. I look for food in the pantry. I look for food in the pantry. I get a pan from the cupboard. I get a pan. I get a pan from the cupboard. I get a pan from the cupboard. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I place the chopping board here. I place the chopping board here. I peel the potato. I peel the potato. There. I boil some water. I boil some water. I add the pasta. I add the pasta. I stir the sauce. I stir the sauce. I add a little salt. I add a little salt. I taste the food. I taste the food. I turn off the stove. I turn off the stove. The pan is very hot. The pan is very hot. I open the refrigerator. I open the refrigerator. I close the fridge door. I close the fridge door. I measure the oil. I measure the oil. I make some toast. I make some toast. The bread is very soft. The bread is very soft. I put rice on the plate. I put rice on the plate. I set the table for dinner. I set the table for dinner. I need a clean spoon. I fill the glass with water. I fill the glass with water. I clean the plate first. I clean the plate first. I wash the dirty dishes. I wash the dirty dishes. I dry the glass. I dry the glass. It's so clean now. I put the bowls away. I put the bowls away. I clean the kitchen counter. I clean kitchen counter. I take out the kitchen trash.